This is a Maono A04 Gen 2. Once you open up the box, you will see a manual and the card that shows you everything about the product itself. Next you will get the windscreen. Next you got the shock mount and the pop filter. Then you got the boom arm, cable, the little C-clamp that you can clamp on your desk, and the microphone. In the front of it, there's a Maono logo, and of course there's a microphone above it, and underneath it is a Type-C port and a A04 port. That way if you want to expand to something much better like an audio interface, you can actually do that. In the back there's literally nothing other than just the information about it, like the serial number, that stuff. This is how it sounds on the Maono A04 Gen 2 microphone. Now keep in mind it's a condenser microphone and not dynamic like my other mic reviews, except for one from its competitors, which I'm not going to mention in this video. So yeah, it sounds pretty good. Like, I'm not really an audio expert by any means, but if it sounds good, that's all that matters to me. Now it's time for the plosive test with the windscreen. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now I'm gonna do it without the windscreen, but use the pop filter that goes on the microphone. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now I'm going to do both the pop filter and the windscreen at the same time. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now time for the conclusion part of this video. Honestly, this microphone sounds pretty good. It doesn't matter what, if I use a windscreen or the pop filter itself or both combined, it sounds pretty decent. For the plosive test that I've done with 3 of those combined, I'm going to let you guys do the drugs because I'm not really an audio expert and I'm hearing impaired, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to hear the difference. So other than that, this is a really great product and I'm honestly pretty satisfied with it, especially if you're a content creator that wants to start out, or streamer, or whatever the case may be that requires a microphone. Or you can have your microphone just to talk to your Discord homies. So yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss none of that video, and I do have a Discord server which it should be in the description below, and trust a like if you enjoyed it or whatever the case may be, and peace out.